Hi guys, I'm just doing some pocket letters, and hopefully this shows you one that I just finished, and I'll just show you how I made this. This one was pretty simple to make. So I have some white cardstock cut already to the size. And then I took one of these that I got at Dollarama, and I just lined it up so that the top would be lined up with his hat, and I just flipped it over and cut it. So now I'm going to use tape, one of these jobbies, and I'm just going to put tape down. Oops, am I going in the wrong direction here? That doesn't seem to be going properly. Why is it doing that? Am I doing it the wrong way? Nope. Alright then. This isn't a very good one, clearly. I can see where in the corners it might need some more. And in the middle. Hopefully this is lining up because I cannot see what I'm doing. Hang on a second, let me do it this way. Okay, that's wonky. And now I don't want to come off. Of course, when I don't film it, it turns out perfect. Okay, I was able to get the cardstock off. Doesn't seem to lay down flat. I don't know what's going on with this thing. Okay, let's see. Performance anxiety. I've got a dog sniffing at me. Okay, that one's a bit better. Okie dokie. So I'm going to make it as close to this one as I can. So I took a little sticker, some holly, and let's see if I can find another small heart. Sticker, put it in the center here. And I have some stars. I may not have the exact same one. Let me see. I don't. That's okay. I'll just go with it. Oops. Dog is eating something. What are you chewing on? Hello? Excuse me. And Ooh, squiggle, and there you have it. Pretty simple. So these are practically done for you. Now let's see where, you don't want to make them too 3D. I was wondering if the pom-pom was going to be too poofy. Hopefully it's not. It's a bit poofy, but it's not too bad. Because the idea is you want to be able to fold these, right? Like you want to be able to fold them and put them in a business size envelope, but some of these are going to be sent out as packages, so it doesn't really matter. So let me start on some other ones.